Hey everyone, it's KK here at the Vivint Demo House, and today I'm going to show you how to change the chime on your Doorbell Camera Pro. So let's get started. Doorbell Camera Pro is loaded with useful features like smart deter and two-way talk. You can also change the chime that plays in your house to fit your mood and even the holiday season. Open the Vivint app and tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. Tap Settings, scroll down and tap Doorbell. Then tap Doorbell Chime. There are 5 standard chimes to choose from: traditional, elevator, modern, bells, and melody. You can preview them in your home to make sure you like the sound. During major holidays, Vivint often releases unique chimes that are available for a limited time. When they're released, you'll receive a notification and you can find them in the same location as the traditional chimes. With Vivint, you never have to settle for just one dull doorbell chime. Mix things up and surprise anyone at your door. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe by clicking the bell notification so that you know when we upload new content. Bye for now.